We actually notice that a lot of companies are collecting more and more data, but are often at a loss as to how to use this data, exactly, and how to leverage this data into their organization to create value and to create impact and get ahead of their competitors in general. Even when companies have already worked on data projects, they don't always see the ROI that was promised to them. So, of course, this leads us back to the way that companies don't feel the need to rely on data. But often it might have been issues with they didn't really know which data to use for their projects. They selected the projects that weren't going to get a good ROI to start off with, and they didn't know yet how to capitalize the data assets that they have been building. Therefore, we help our customers to build a data strategy. In this data strategy, we help the companies decide which data they should collect and how this data should land in their organization. We help them select the highest ROI use cases, and then it is also important to us that these projects actually land well within the organization, that this entire data story lands good in the organization. So we also give recommendations on how to make this happen, and we train everyone in how to use this data as well. In addition to this, our data strategists can also help on data project management, where they help deliver and maximize the ROI of your data projects.